Hello everybody, welcome to English Grammar. In this video, we are looking into tricks for error spotting. If the given sentence consists A, we need to replace it by an and by a. Let us see examples. First one, she gave me an 1 rupee coin. And should be used before vowel sound. It's very easy to identify vowel sound. If the word starts with e till ow, then it is vowel sound. Here we have 1 rupee. 1 starts with wa. There is no wa in e, so we need to use a. Answer, she gave me a 1 rupee coin. Second one, I am a MA student. A should be used before consonant sound. A. So A is there in e, we need to use an. Answer, I am an MA student. If the given sentence consists everybody, everyone, every man, every woman, everything followed by plural verb like are, were, then it should be replaced by singular verb is, was. Let us see example for that. First one, every one of them are present. Here, everyone is followed by plural verb are. We need to replace it by is. Answer, every one of them is present. In case if you have every one of them were present, the sentence is in past tense. Everyone followed by plural verb were. We need to replace were by was. Every one of them was present. A number of is followed by plural verb like are, were. The number of is followed by singular verb like is, was. Let us see example for this. Second one, the number of students present in the special class yesterday were low. Here the number of students is followed by plural verb were, but it should be replaced by singular verb is, was. Here the sentence is in past tense, so we need to replace it by was. Answer, the number of students present in the special class yesterday was low. If the given sentence consists words like prefer, junior, senior, superior, inferior followed by than, then we need to replace than by to. Let us see examples. First one, I prefer coffee than tea. Here prefer is followed by than. We need to replace than by to. Answer, I prefer coffee to tea. Second one, she is junior than me. Here junior is followed by than. We need to replace than by to. Answer, she is junior to me. If the given statement consists though followed by but, then we need to remove though, else we need to remove but. If a sentence consists as followed by so, then we need to remove as, else we need to remove so. Let us see examples. First one, though he is poor, but he is happy. We need to remove though, else we need to remove but. Answer, though he is poor, he is happy. Else, he is poor, but he is happy. Second one, as she is weak, so she walks slowly. We need to remove as, else we need to remove so. Answer, as she is weak, she walks slowly, or she is weak, so she walks slowly. If the given sentence consists told to, made to, went to, then we need to remove to from those words. Examples. First one, they told to me. Told to should be replaced by told. Answer, they told me. Second one, Ramesh went to abroad. Went to should be removed. Ramesh went abroad. If the given sentence consists neither followed by or, then it should be replaced by neither nor. If sentence having either followed by nor, it should be replaced by either or. If both are correct, neither nor pair is correct, then we need to check for auxiliary verb. Here we need to follow rater rule. If either or pair is correct, then we need to check for auxiliary verb. Here also we need to follow later rule. Examples. First one, either Sham nor Ram has to pay. Here we have either nor. So we need to replace it by either or. Answer, either Sham or Ram has to pay. Second one, neither Veena or Sita is present today. Here we have neither or. Actual pair is neither nor. Answer, neither Veena nor Sita is present today. Third one, neither Veena nor her sisters has been informed of the accident. Here we have neither nor pair correct. Then we need to check for auxiliary verb. Here we need to follow later rule. Later rule means we have to see the noun after or nor. Okay, after nor we have sisters. Plural noun. So we need to replace has been by have been. Answer, neither Veena nor her sisters have been informed of the accident. If the given sentence consists one of the, each of the, then it should be followed by plural noun and singular verb. Let us see examples. First one of the girl is brilliant. Here one of the is followed by singular noun girl. It should be replaced by girls. Answer, one of the girls is brilliant. Second one, each of the cycle is damaged. Here each of the is followed by singular noun cycle. It should be replaced by cycles. Answer, each of the cycles is damaged. Third one of the boys have got the first prize. Here one of the is followed by plural noun boys. This is correct. Then we need to check for verb. Here we have plural verb have. It should be replaced by singular verb has. Answer, one of the boys has got the first prize. We need to use the word since when we have year, a month, a day, a time. Example, since 2011, since Jan, since Monday, since 10 a.m. We need to use the word for when number followed by year or month or day or time. Example, for 10 years, for 10 months, for 10 days, for 10 hours. If both are correct, then we need to use has been or have been. Has been for singular subject, have been for plural subject. Examples, first one, have been working here for 2015. Here we have year 2015. So for should be replaced by since. Answer, have been working here since 2015. Second one, he has been sleeping since 5 hours. Here 5 hours, number followed by hours. We need to replace since by for. Answer, he has been sleeping for 5 hours. Third one, I am waiting here since 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is time, so since 2 p.m. is correct. Then we have to use has been or have been. Has been for singular subject, have been for plural subject. For subjects like I, you, we, they, we need to use plural verb have been. Answer, I have been waiting here since 2 p.m. If the given statement consists adjective plus est, then we need to append the in front of adjective plus est. Example, Sujata is tallest girl in the class. Tallest is adjective plus est, so we need to append the in front of tallest. Answer, Sujata is the tallest girl in the class. We need to use the word between for two persons or two things or two objects, so on. We need to use the word among when we have more than two persons or two objects or two things. Let us see examples. First one, distribute these apples among Kavin and Karan. Here we have Kavin and Karan, only two persons. So we need to replace among by between. Answer, distribute these apples between Kavin and Karan. Second one, share these chocolates between the 10 girls. Here we have 10 girls. It is more than 2. So we need to replace between by among. Answer, share these chocolates among the 10 girls. We need to use the word by when we travel by means of transport. We need to use the word on when we travel using body agents. Agree to should be replaced by agree with. Examples, first one, I prefer to travel in bus. Bus is means of transport. In should be replaced by. Answer, I prefer to travel by bus. Second one, I came to school by foot. Foot is body again. By should be replaced by on. Answer, I came to school on foot. Third one, I don't agree to you. Agree to should be replaced by agree with. Answer, I don't agree with you. Good should be replaced by a good. Very good should be replaced by a very good. Confidence on should be replaced by confidence in. Believe on should be replaced by believe in. Let us see examples. First one, I place great confidence on you. Confidence on should be replaced by confidence in. Answer, I place great confidence in you. Second one, I believe on you. Believe on should be replaced by believe in. Answer, I believe in you. Third one, Seema is good athlete. Good should be replaced by a good. Answer, Seema is a good athlete. Fourth one, Seema is very good player. Very good should be replaced by a very good. Answer, Seema is a very good player. We need to follow formal rule when we have words like as well as, along with, together with. Let us see examples. First one, she along with her friends are playing. Even though we have friends are plural on followed by plural verb, here we need to consider formal rule. We need to consider she is singular, so we have to replace or by is. Answer, she along with her friends is playing. Second one, the captain with his crew play chess. So first now, the captain is singular, so singular verb is plays. Answer, the captain with his crew plays chess. Third one, the students entered into the classroom. Entered is an action, into is also an action. Both are same, so we need to omit into. Answer, the students entered the classroom. Thanks for your precious time. See you. Bye bye.